next week is my birthday, the Super Mario birthday. But I got one question for you. My birthday will be June 30th. Oh, my guys, have you watched the Super Mario movie? Comment down below if you guys love the Super Mario movie. Oh, by the way, subscribe my channel. We are going to road to 40 subscribers. Oh, by the way, guys, I got elected to be as the Mario president of this channel. When I'm in my channel, I met when I'm gonna be the boss. Hey, yes, Dad. When I'm as right now. And by the way, guys, my birthday is on June 12th. And June 12th is the birthday of me. I'm gonna be like 7. No, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna be like 8 because I'm 8 years old. I can plan something today, tonight, forever and ever. Yeah, my birthday's coming up. Boom, 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 boom. And by the way, guys, for the record, go to Greenline and check my latest videos on YouTube. Alright. Hey guys, how many of you guys went to summer school? Is summer school trash? Comment down below if you think summer school is trash. I'm in summer school. I'm just joking, guys. Summer school is my favorite thing. I love summer school. But in a case in a way, I hate doing math problems. Thanks for watching, bye.